Hello all. In this video, we are going to solve Accenture coding question asked for 2022 batch. Before moving into the problem statement, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. This is the problem statement which they have given. In the first line of the input, they'll mention the length of the array, that means length of the list. And in the second line, they give input as a space separated integer inputs. And sample output should be like this. And the explanation is all the even numbers are placed before all the odd numbers. That means 10, 98, 12, 22 are the even numbers that should be placed first, then followed by odd numbers. So let's solve this problem using Python programming. They have clearly mentioned that all the even numbers which are divisible, even numbers logic is the numbers which are divisible by 2, they are the even numbers. Rest of them, numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. So as you can observe, 10 is the first even number, then followed by 98, then 12 is an also even number, 3 is not an even number, 33 is not an even number, 22 is an even number, or 21 is not an even number, and 11 is not an even number. We need to iterate through this list. For that, we are going to use one for loop for finding even numbers. That means for finding 10, 98, 12, 22, for finding all the even numbers in the given list, we are using one for loop. For finding odd numbers, we are going to use for finding this odd numbers 3, 33, 21, 11, we are going to use another for loop. Okay. And then we'll create an empty list that will store A is equal to empty list. First, we create the empty list, then we'll find out the even numbers, append it to the empty list A. Then we'll again iterate through this, and we'll find the odd numbers and we'll append to the list A. So let's solve this using Python. So in the first line of the input, they have asked you to take a length of the list, input list. A is equal to, means n is equal to int of, it's of integer data type, int of input. In the second line, they have asked you to take space separated n inputs. That means list of that comma input dot split. This line of code take space separated integer value as input and convert into the list data type. After that, we need an empty list to find even numbers in the list, even number in the list A, and append it to the list B. Then we will find the odd numbers in the list and append it to the, later we append it to the list B. So we are going to use for loop once for I in our range of n. That's the total length of A. If A of I mod 2 is equal to 0. If the remainder is equal to 0, then means it is divisible by 2. If any number is divisible by 2, it's an even number. Then we will append, we'll add that even number to empty list B. B dot append A of I. Even numbers will only even in this for loop, only even numbers will be appended to the empty list B. In another for loop for j in range of n, if A of j mod 2 not equal to 0. If that's not equal to 0 means remainder not equal to 0 means it's not divisible by 2, then it will be an odd number. Later on, we'll append that element to B. A of j. Then finally, we'll print the elements which are in B. For printing the elements in B, we are going to use another for loop for k in range of length of B. of B, print B of K, comma, in is equal to space. We'll end the particular line by space because they have asked to print the output in the same line. So input format, n value is 8, and then the values are 10 space 98 space 12 space 3 space 33 space 22 space 21 space 11 enter. So as you can observe here, all the even numbers 10, 98, 12, 22 are placed first, then followed by odd numbers. 3, 33, 21, 11. 12, then it will skip 3 and 33 because it's an odd number. Then even number is 22, it will add it here. Then the rest is odd number. Thank you.